fart faces, it's me, Bev B Diamond Paints. Today we're going to be unboxing this diamond painting. I have no idea where it's from, but you should have an idea because I'll have it in the title and description. But right now I have no idea. It just came to my house and I was like, okay, opening it. So let's get into it. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. This could be a number of things. Okay, it's from Pretty Neat Creative. Already, you can see right away, Pretty Neat Creative. Comes in a nice little tubies, if I can open it. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, is this going to, like, work? So far, all I'm doing is ripping the plastic, and that's not getting anywhere. Cut it. Cut it out. Oh God. So they really tape it very tight. Smells like plastic. Like I can smell the tape. I love tape. Like if you ever get a package from me, from my Etsy store, you'll know that I love tape. Tape is my favorite. Okay. So here we are. Finally. So it comes in a tube that says Pretty Neat Creative. Feel the beauty in diamonds, diamond painting. In the days when we were children, everyone was taught to create things by hand. We believe that nothing is as unique, personal, or well received as something that's been lovingly handmade. That's why we share a love for diamond painting, which thrills and inspires us every day. And then on the back we have instructions on how to diamond paint. Sorry for the glare. So let's open up this tube. The real question is, how do we open this tube? Oh, I was like trying to open it from here, but literally there's just, yeah. Whoa, do you hear that pop that it made? Okay, so here is our diamond painting for your next order. If you guys want to use this code, go ahead and use this code. It is just a teeny tiny one. I thought that I had ordered this in a larger size, but I was talking to my friend and I was like, shoot, I didn't order it in a big size. So here's the kit. I've never had a kit from Pretty Neat Creative. I've never had an order from them, so let's take a look and see what they include in the kit. Ooh, okay. So in the kit we have a diamond painting pen with a 4-placer, some tweezers, squishy, a plate of wax, and a tray. So that's nice. Okay, is the drill. Let's do a drill drop. Drill drop. Ooh, look, they come in baggies. That's handy. And this is going to be a square diamond painting. We have square drills. Now they actually taped it. So now I have to figure out how to undo the tape. This thing needs to go away. Okay. You undo the tape. And this canvas is like, it's almost like, it feels like felt. Like it's very soft. Let's unravel this. It's gonna be pixelated. Damn, I knew it would be pixelated. Okay, so this is really disappointing. It's my fault because I ordered such a small painting. It measures 30 by 40. It says at the top, Pretty Neat Creative, feel the beauty in diamonds. Here's the schematic. It is focus, camera. It's 24 colors. Schematics on the other side as well, and at the bottom we have their social media. And I'm sad. I'm gonna pull this down a bit. So I'm sad because it's pixely, and you're probably like, what even is this scene? So this is the moon, and then here's supposed to be a boy, and this is supposed to be his dog, and then this is kind of like a galaxy looking background, and then this stuff is supposed to be like dark, like city and bushes and stuff like that. So I mean, it might actually turn out a little bit nicely, but I'm not counting on it. And it is a 30 by 40. So here we can see the thumbnail. So here's the thumbnail, if it will focus. So you can see that it might turn out, because I mean the boy and the dog are just shadows. So it might actually turn out okay. We'll have to see when I put the drills down on it. But their canvas feels like I've never felt a canvas like this before. It's very soft. It is poured glue, sticky, but their canvas is really soft and like the back feels like felt, which is pretty neat. Pretty neat creative. So here we have an inventory sheet, 30 by 40. Here's another look at the thumbnail. So if I had ordered a larger version of this, there would have been hopefully more colors. And see, there's like street lamps and stuff, but in the actual image you can't really see any street lamps. So that's disappointing. It's my fault though. I ordered a small size. So it comes with the number, like the color number, the code. I guess this is probably like how many bags, the weight of the bag, the DMC, how many drills there are. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. So, there we go. So 24 different colors. I like that it comes with an inventory sheet. That is very helpful. And now let's take a look at the drills. So here we have the drills. I'm just going to move this aside so my camera doesn't not focus. So let's open up these drills. Where's the opening? I'm not going to take all the colors out because I don't want to mix up the order, and I don't feel like putting them back in the bags or back in the bag properly. So there's a lot of like galaxy-ish colors, so blues, purples, pinks, and then there's a neutrally color, beige. Look at the quality. So we'll look at this darker color here. See if we can take a look. So from looking at them through the bag, it does look like they're good quality. I don't see a lot of trash or anything like that. Sorry, I keep moving the camera with my arm by accident. I don't see a lot of trash. They look like they're consistently sized. Like, I think they look good. I don't see any tabs or anything like that. But again, until I actually put down the drills on this canvas, we won't be able to tell about the quality of it. So this is my first order from Pretty Neat Creative. I really like that. I like how the canvas feels. It feels really soft. I like how it came with an inventory sheet. I like that the drills are pre-bagged. I like that it came in a tube. And the only thing I don't like, which is my own fault, is that I should have ordered this in a bigger size, at least a size up. But you never know, it actually still might turn out, because once I put the drills on it, it will look totally different. So we'll wait and see. I don't know when I'm going to work on this, but I will work on it soon, and then once I do, I'll put up a review or something like that for you guys. So what do you guys think? Have you ordered from Pretty Neat Creative? What are your thoughts on the canvases that they have? What are your thoughts on the art? What are your thoughts on drills and baggies? Do you actually drill straight from the baggies, or do you bother kitting it up in storage containers? Tell me everything in the comments below. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'd love, love, love to have you as part of my hive. We have a lot of fun on my channel, and I upload diamond painting videos on a regular basis. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!